Cat Core's son, which is Shia Core.
Okay.
Shia Core used to come by the studio and stuff like that because Daniel Blacks and them all them close to them come by the studio. So Dan must tell him say more on rhythm one because he was building rhythm. Yeah. And him like, all right, I have some rhythms and I was going through some rhythms. But I play some rhythms, I play. And like that, I said, what a rhythm there? I say, I want to know about man, I have better than that. Them say, no, play about that one there and play back. I say, yo, man, like that one there. I say, that one there, I say, yeah, man, that one about them. Say, yo, listen one of them. I say, no, that one there have a vibe. Yeah. I say, yo, that one there, like that one there, and take it. And that rhythm became the Madden's rhythm. So Shia Core, they build the rhythm, big up the Shia Core. So you just pick it out and say, yo, because I rhythm I share they have in them never that took it that much attention. And I say, yo, that rhythm look good, man, take it. And besides saying I'm gonna start try record some songs. So we start record some song in our old computer. Yeah. And stuff like that. And record the songs and record Vybz Kartel on the rhythm. And I say Kartel, and I say when Kartel reach the chorus, because them time the Kartel no key like that and stuff like that. I say, yo, I try sing the what you have as a hook, you must try singing them on never on key and things. And I say, yo, you know, so the hook now work because or your DJ on the rhythm now go work. So I say, yo, I say me can get somebody to sing the hook. So I say, oh, so Marshall and Dan had a very cool relationship for a long time. So I decided to say, yo, I'm gonna ask Marshall. So I say, yo, I'm gonna ask Marshall. So Kartel was like, yo, Marshall, sure, because Marshall is hot. Already, because Marshall have smoke. Yeah. I love smoke clears. When is smoke clears? I'm like tour up and down with Killer call him up on stage to sing smoke clears everywhere and thing are going good. So I say, I ask Marshall and I say, sure. I say, yeah, man. I ask Marshall. So big up Marshall. Marshall, I say, he never hesitate. Never hesitate to give Kartel a look there.
So it was really Vendetta Studio that put together Kartel and Marshall in the first place, the very first time.
Yeah, the very first time.
And it wasn't even on purpose. It was almost on accident because Kartel couldn't hit the key that he needed.
Yeah, like the structure of the song or the chorus felt, the lyrics and everything for Kartel, everything good, but when we reach what was supposed to be the chorus, it just never felt right because of the key. And when my DJ like it's like a little sing kind of thing, but the melodies them know I work and key the rhythm never that work and stuff. And I say, yo, it now flow, it just don't feel right because it never did the work out. So I say, yo, it now work because as all the way studio and here and know enough. So we have to say, yo, it now flow right, it not sound right. So we say, I'm going to ask Marshall, and Marshall say, all right. Marshall come and hit, and Marshall say, but and Marshall say, I sing it, and Marshall just come sing. This is the new millennium, a different thing I go on. Kartel and Marshall and a creator stamp. So you see us, and it was that.
Crazy, boss. Just like that.
Was it. Just like that, Marshall comes sing it on it, and then you know, we just start voice and the song like DJ and big up to DJ when him start get some spin and people hear it and I say, yo, nice, and then the other artists them start come around now, start trying voice like a Bounty Killer and try to check Capleton for voice and Elephant Man, it was in the circle because Elephant was one person to do up a dub for us and stuff because Dan and Elephant Man they live in the same apartment complex and things. So when me I got deep dance go play, I used to just start play the rhythm Maddens at the dance them. And then I start say, yo, I could cut some dub on the rhythm. Start cut some dub on the rhythm, and then I say, yo, Kartel have a song on him, Pija. If I did Inja, I said, no, hang on. Yes. So that was a big dub song. It was a big dub song at the time. And I said to him, say, this song is a big dub song and nobody knows it, you know. But underground wise, enough sound of it, but it's not still in the mainstream. When I make Kartel voice it for Maddens, I must say, hey, man, I said, that will work, man. He must say, sure. I say, yeah, man, I DJ it, I made it a couple of times, man, it will work. I'm saying, yeah, Kartel come and ask him if he can just voice. Send on the Maddens rhythm, I'm going and DJ it on it and voice it, and then voice it now and just the song out on the road now, and then DJ will do a mad edit and clean it up and play it a couple of times on the radio. Because he hadn't. So when he played it on a Friday night, everybody hear that now, like, because underground people them know it, but the mainstream people them hear it because they pay attention to it.
And this time he has two songs on the rhythm now, the one with him and Marshall and the one by himself.
Yeah.
And at these times here, I don't think producers were really voicing one artist twice on a rhythm per se. No. That wasn't nothing that was big at all.
It wasn't, but one or two people, it wasn't big. Most time your voice was one song. So you got two songs on the rhythm, man, which wasn't too common. Especially if like the person who do that, like got that, would have been like a Bounty Killer. Now any man now get two songs. Rice and Peas rhythm, I think it have two. Rice and Peas rhythm was a monster rhythm by Smoke One. I think it have two Bounty Killer on it. Like that was like 2001, 2002, something after so. That was a huge deal to have two songs on a rhythm. So not a lot of people. And if you have 2 songs on the rhythm, you have to be big.
For sure. And at this time, Kartel didn't hit his peak yet. He didn't.
No, man. No, he wasn't bust. He wasn't bust. He have a buzz underground of the dub culture. But mainstream, never really known. So for him have a song with Wayne Marshall and then our next song on the rhythm was like a big deal.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.